Elephants Can't Dance by Mo Willems. Gerald, let's dance. I can teach you. I'm teaching all my friends.
Well, I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants can't dance.
You are kidding me.
No. Look it up. Page 11.
Gerald, it doesn't say that you can't try.
You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance. Oh.
Okay, let's jump. Wait. Okay, let's go. Jump with me. When I count to 3. When I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump! Jump!
Yeah.
I think you need to let that part.
You were a little too late on the jump.
I was a little too late on the jump.
We will try again.
We will try again.
Move your arms this way. She does the wrong thing.
Oh.
We will try again.
We will try again.
Lift your leg this way. We will try again.
We will try again.
Up,
Up,
down.
down.
Spin.
Hey, you're on my page. You're on my page. Yes. Wait, no, you're not. I'll
Okay.
What?
Spin.
Spin.
Stop.
Stop. Stay.
Forward.
Backward.
No, say forward.
Forward. Backward.
Backward.
Wiggle.
Wiggle.
Rabbit walk.
Rabbit walk. I've tried and 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 tried. But I am an elephant, and elephant can do this. Flop.
Oh, Gerald. Hello. We are ready to learn some moves. I am sorry, but I can't teach you right now. My friend is sad. Silly. We do not want you to teach us. We want you to learn the alphabet.